So yeah, there we go. So the angles are correct based on the angle of the collision. And hold on, I'm gonna make this thing rapid fire. Just for fun. If I go over here, is it left hold? Where's input? Input is here. Left hold. Huh. So now I can hold down. There we go, that's fun. It kind of demonstrates the good performance I've got here. Wait. So for I in range 5. Plus random to random. 0 to 100 divided by 100 minus 0.5. Come on. I want to have some fun here. Don't crash. There we go. Shotgun. I can do more than that. Hold on. Player. Let's do 10. Shotgun. Like my particle physics? There we go. And if I do it right here, I can check if the game's slowing down, like deleting the bullets properly by whether or not this slows down if I do it for long enough.